So, warm welcome once again, and grateful to you all. And congratulations, by the way, for being that part of 1% who is already ready to create their lives, isn't it? You're not
Thank
just
you.
surviving, you are ready to, to rock the world. So, we'll just come back in the room from wherever you were. We'll just sit with our spine straight and see that if you can feel the ground with your feet flat on the ground, right? And one hand on your heart and feel the breath. Inhale and exhale. Good. Once you feel you are in the room, you can open your eyes and be with me physically, mentally, emotionally, right? So my name is Preeti and I'm here for the next 60 minutes. I'm going to explain you about the of blueprint for what? Blueprint for your calmer mind, clearer vision, and more aligned life because sometimes it just goes haywire, right? So I'm just going to tell you about the blueprint. So you're not going to learn what we do in sacred mornings, but why it works scientifically, energetically, and emotionally, right? And spiritually too. So all the steps which we follow in the sacred mornings, as you both have been, or you all have been, practicing it for last 3 to 4 weeks with me. So I have practiced a few morning rituals for more than 30 years, but I wanted to be honest that I did not start this because I was disciplined, but I start this because I was lost, right? I was scattered, right? I have told you my story, like how I felt totally in disaster and and as life grew, the family responsibilities, the other commitments also started increasing. And I realized that the habit which I was following for so many years is not going to serve me for long. And I have to have a specific design, a ritual, which is going to help me throughout my life. So I need to make it a lifestyle rather than just a habit, right? So ritual that could hold my energy, that leads me to a more peaceful state of mind, and also which can make me feel more powerful than, because I was always used to be in victimhood. So now there are two types of people. One type of people will say that I want to wake up early, but I don't know what to do in the morning, right? So if this is you, then listen today. You don't actually lack the discipline like me. I was very disciplined, but I did not have the clarity. So if you fall in the group one, then write group one. Otherwise, so these people are like, little scattered because they know they can wake up early, but they don't have the structure. They don't have the guidance. They don't have the intention to, what they are going to do. And that's exactly what Sacred gives you, right? A step by step morning flow that removes all your confusion and, that blurriness of the, you know, the whole routine. The group two. कौन उठता है 4:30 बजे मतलब पागल हो क्या? This is too early, and I understand that. Like I have many members in my family who would say कि प्रीति तू पागल है. Why do you have to wake up so early when even when it is Sunday or holidays? So waking up early is actually not a discipline. It's not about a habit, but it's about alignment. So it's also not about forcing your body. It's when you. begin to understand that law of connection. So you are not, what is this law of connection? It's like you are not going to attract. So you would have heard a lot about, you know, you're not going to chase anything, you will attract. Nahi baba, it's not about attracting, right? It's about building a connection, right? So I am going to transform this whole law of attraction into law of connection now. I'm not in the favor of law of attraction that it will come to me. No, I'll connect with what is my heart's desire and I'll achieve it. So when that happens, that law of connection happens, you start connecting with your morning and you get that natural calling for the morning. So how many, like all of you, I would have seen that you have got that natural calling for the mornings, right? That's okay, Deepti. So it's actually about not the clock. कि 4:30 बज गए and then okay, I have to wake up. But it's about uh, you must be thinking कि 9 बजे भी तो उठ के सारे काम कर सकते हैं, right? The what you are doing in the morning at 4:30, you can even do at 9 o'clock, right? But what are you at 9 o'clock and what you are at 4:30 is a lot of difference, isn't it? Earlier you have been like that you used to wake up late and then you can see the difference what you are at 4:30 and what you are at 9 o'clock. A beautiful difference which I could realize between the rituals, the habits and the tasks. ठीक है, हमारे पूरे दिन के टास्क होते हैं, है ना? हमें बच्चों को खाना खिलाना है, हमें घर की सफाई करवानी है, देन वी हैव टू whatever, खाना बनाना है, कपड़े धोने हैं या what means, and then the office goers, they also have a checklist, right? That this is all the task of the day. And would you agree that all these tasks, if you are not connected to, they become energy drainers? They drain your energy, right? Now, what is habit? So these are tasks, right? I wanted to write all these things down. What is task? The things you have to do, right? But you don't have any choice, you have to do. Now there must be a checklist item which you have to follow, go through. कि ये आज के काम है, आज घर का ग्रोसरी लाना है, आज बच्चों को some things like my daughter's specs are broken, so वो भी एक टास्क है हमारे लिए. ठीक है, तो we need to get a new specs for her. Habits are your repeated behaviors. रोज सुबह उठ के ब्रश करते हो, राइट? रोज सुबह उठ के कुछ तो करते हैं, पर they are all are good. Like every time suppose you have built a habit of drinking water. Like some people make a habit of drinking water, so that's really good. But sometimes you are not able to connect with that also. Now the people who are following the naturopath, they say that you don't have to brush every day, right? Because I'm getting, so there's no need to brush your teeth. There's another alternative way to keep your teeth healthy. And they've never brushed. I got a mentor who said that for last 10 years, when she started getting into the naturopath and all, she stopped brushing. Her 10 years old daughter has also never brushed her teeth, and their teeth are shining, like very beautiful. They don't sting. They don't look, that plaque is not there, no cavity, nothing. But we have been taught to follow some habits for so long. We've been conditioned, right? So sometimes it is good, but sometimes they are meaningless, right? Now, what is rituals? So rituals are sacred. Now, if I'll just take the three vowels for you to remember: A, E, I. Yeah, three vowels, right? A, E, I. So A is for attention. Okay. So when you are performing any ritual, it needs all your attention there. So now if your cameras are off, I can definitely say that your attention is not here, you are distracted somewhere else. So this is not a ritual happening. See, Mahesh, now I have got to another thing, but now you are still stuck there. It means your attention is not here. You're stuck, you have got stuck to the teeth habit, right? No, Aditi, is my voice breaking? No. That is why I'm saying that keep your cameras on so that I can see that you are attentive here and you're not distracted. So rituals are to be performed with all your attention, right? So first, A, attention. Second is your E. And that's what we follow in the morning also, Deepti, right? So I want your attention there and I make sure that your cameras are on. So that is attention. Second is E. E is for emotion. How much are you feeling that ritual? That whatever you are doing. So even if you are breathing, are you emotionally connected to your breath or not? Right? Then is your intention. What's your intention of doing all the tasks, what we have planned or whatever the ritual we have been performing? So AEI, right? On you, OU. You can. So A is for attention, E is for emotion, I is for intention, right? So that's a ritual. So it's not a habit which we are building. We are building a connection, and that's called ritual. So now what is sacred? Sacred framework. Ayushi, I hope you are writing it down here. Writing it down. Welcome on board, first of all. Yeah.
ऐसा पॉसिबल हो रहा है मैं वो लिख रही हूँ बट राइट नाउ
Your kiddo is
जैसे
there?
हो रहा है माय स्मॉल बेबी ही इज वेक अप सो उसको भी मैं सुला रही हूँ एंड साइमल्टेनियसली आई हैव heard your session also.
No worries. Thank you. Thank you for being here. So now, S sacred का S क्या है? That is about stillness. So we begin with stillness, and because you cannot create from chaos, right? कि अगर एकदम chaotic अगर हम बोलेंगे नहीं नहीं हमें बैठ जाना है, हमें morning ritual करना है, and then it'll be all chaotic. So whenever we are starting a day, we are starting with a stillness, because our cortisol starts rising up between 4 a.m. and 6 a.m. Cortisol का level धीरे धीरे बढ़ता जाता है. So when it is at lowest, we are going to start with the breath work. Otherwise, your brain will get hijacked. The moment you open your, the mails and other chats. So when you are doing your breath work, the body hears that I am safe, I am present, and I am in control. So we'll use simple, powerful technique as all the members have been doing. That is about, the different kinds of breathing patterns which we follow. Now, another thing is, which has been scientifically proved, that if you are holding your breath as much as possible, so we have started with 4 seconds, right? हमने 4 seconds से start किया. If you are able to hold it for 36 seconds, and in that moment, whatever you desire, whatever you wish for, it comes true. Because that time, when you're holding, the whole attention of your whole body and mind is in your subconscious mind. It starts getting rewired very fast. Because that time you're not, your sense organs and your body organs and all the functions are not involved in the surviving mode, but they are, see, when you're holding your breath, what happens? Everything's still, right? And when you are repeating that affirmation or that goal in your subconscious mind, it goes and starts rewiring very quick, because the whole focus is there. You're getting me? So no distraction even in breathing, because जब हम breathe कर रहे हैं तो what are we doing? We are focusing on our breath. But when we hold and put our focus on that wish for 36 seconds, so इसलिए I want you to start, gradually start building that habit. Because बहुत मुश्किल होगा if we straight away go to 36 seconds. So I want to start it from 4 seconds, then we'll go to 6 seconds, then 8. That way we'll gradually grow, right? And then you will see that how your whole body is going to, perform. S, stillness. A is for affirmation. So this is actually not about positive thinking कि positive positive बोलो और हो जाएगा. So in the olden times, you would have heard all the Rishi Munis also chanting a few mantras. बारिश होती थी, right? They used to chant uh, some mantras for barish, right? For rain to happen. So what were they doing? They were actually affirmations to create a reality, right? So what formula do we use for affirmations? It is like first is maintenance goal. Sorry, maintenance affirmation. That is that what you already doing right now or what you already have. That is maintenance phase of your affirmation. ठीक है? मैं आपको सारा का सारा अभी explain करूंगी. That how you can create your affirmations. Second is your goal affirmation. It means जो आप future में चाहते हो. The future you stated in the present. ठीक है? मतलब I am having this much amount of money in my hand. तो मैं फ्यूचर को प्रेजेंट में लाके उसको स्टेट कर रही हूँ. दैट्स माय गोल एफर्मेशन. एंड द थर्ड विल बी योर एक्शन एफर्मेशन. दैट इज द स्टेप यू विल टेक टुडे टू मेक योर गोल एफर्मेशन become true. That is your action affirmation, right? So this is going to make your powerful affirmation very powerful. Third is your clarity, which happens with the visualization. Now all the old members have already got the clarity about disassociated visualization and associated visualization, right? In disassociated, दो type की visualization है. Disassociated happens as if you are watching your movie, yourself in a movie. कितनी बार हुआ है कि हम अपने आप को, अच्छा हमने बोला कि okay you are going there, you are. So I used to do this for a long period of time. और हम मैं सोचती कि होता क्यों नहीं है, ये होता क्यों नहीं, एफर्मेशन कर रही हूँ, विजुअलाइजेशन कर रही हूँ, एक्शन भी हो रहा है, बट देन इट वाज नॉट गेटिंग अलाइंड बिकॉज आई वाज डिसोसिएटेड विद माय विजुअलाइजेशन. आई वाज सीइंग माई सेल्फ समवेयर एल्स. आई माई सेल्फ वॉज नॉट देयर. देयर इज अ डिफरेंस. ओके. So I myself was not there. I was watching myself as a movie is going on. So this creates direction, आइडेंटिटी लेवल क्लैरिटी. कि मतलब हाँ मैं वहां पर हूँ, बट अभी उसके बाद में जब आपने एक बार देख लिया कि ओके आई एम डूइंग दिस दिस दिस, नाउ यू हैव टू क्रिएट योर सेल्फ देयर, यू हैव टू बी देयर. जब आप उस इमेज में चले जाओगे, उस हीरो की या हीरोइन की बॉडी में घुस जाओगे, that will be your associated visualization. So you're going to feel everything. And this creates your emotional embodiment. So what is that emotional embodiment? कि अगर सपोज मैं बोलूं कि दीप्ति, where were you last night?
At home.
What were you doing in the kitchen?
Cleaning.
Okay. So now you were cleaning, right? So are you seeing yourself or are you feeling that you are cleaning the
I saw myself.
saw yourself, right? That you just went back and then you were feeling that you were doing something. I was doing something, right? So if I see, so now go to the kitchen and then now clean. Close your eyes and now go to the kitchen and then clean. How would you feel?
Yeah, like the action I'm doing.
Right. So could you clean the slab? What's left of the slab? Just see.
Water.
Water is left. Will you be switching on the fan to get
No,
it dry? Is there a fan?
I'll use this sponge wipe.
Okay. Right. So could you feel it more than seeing yourself in the kitchen last night? Yeah. So there's a difference. So first you saw yourself that you have gone to the kitchen and then you had put yourself inside that body and then you could visualize, right? The same, now I took you to the past, the same you have to do it for the future, right? वो मैं पास्ट में इसलिए लेकर गई क्योंकि पास्ट वाला इजी होता है कनेक्ट करना, बिकॉज यू हैव ऑलरेडी डन दैट, राइट? बट फ्यूचर का थोड़ा सा मुश्किल होता है, बट देन वी हैव टू क्रिएट दैट पिक्चर फॉर आवरसेल्व्स, राइट? तो पहले डिसोसिएटेड विजुअलाइजेशन करेंगे और फिर उसी में ही एसोसिएटेड जाएंगे. So now that is how your brain activates the same neural pathway as if the experience was very real, right? Then R is, SAC is done. Now we come to R. So R is for releasing all your limiting beliefs, all your pains, all your traumas. Somebody would have said something to you जो आपको बहुत ही demotivating था, या फिर कि आपके पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस आपने बहुत पहले ट्राई किया सब कुछ बट नथिंग वर्कड आउट, राइट? So now how to release all that pain? That is, we do it with Ho'oponopono. Today I'm going to bring a Ho'oponopono body scan today. That is what. So today we'll be doing body scan, and that's going to be very powerful because I myself tried it and it was like very relaxing and very, rather than just going random Ho'oponopono. So what do we do through Ho'oponopono? We chant few lines. You all know, most of you know that I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. But I'm not saying it to anybody else. But what am I doing? I'm energetically raising my frequency to that energy of purity. क्योंकि मैंने किसी के लिए कुछ गलत सोचा, किसी के लिए मैंने गुस्सा दिखाया, या मैंने अपने लिए ही अपने आप को एक्सेप्ट नहीं किया. There are so many emotions which I have stored in all my body part. So suppose if I tell you that there were so many times you suppressed yourself from expressing yourself, right? कितनी बार नहीं express किया? Where did that emotion store? Throat. ठीक है? बहुत बार आपको anxiety हुई but you did not express that anxiety, है ना? तो anxiety कहाँ जाके store हुई? Stomach में. ठीक है? कई बार आपके रिलेशनशिप्स में बहुत मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग्स हुई. Where did it store? In your hips. Getting me? So so these all are areas, like for different emotions there are different parts of your body where that emotion gets stored. कितने लोगों को सर में दर्द होता है? Because they were not able to take decisions by their choice, right? They have so many ideas but they are not able to share it. They're not able to take decisions for themselves, for their family, right? There are multiple responsibilities. So all that emotion is getting stored in different parts of your body. Do you think your body needs healing? Yeah, because many times it happens that you'll go to the doctor and doctor will say nothing, your body is fine, कोई disease नहीं है. But then you will be having so many pains, hurts, aches and everything in your body. That is how we release the energy which is not required, the emotion which are not required by our body, and will release it. So in a way, when we have stored all those emotions inside us, we have done some harm to our body. So we'll be saying, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you to my body, right? So every memory, किसी ने कुछ बुरा किया तो memory भी तो store हुई है ना, belief भी store हुआ है, emotion भी store हुआ है, that is going to create a frequency. And that is why when you say that I take decisions but it does not turn out well, मैं लेती तो हूँ decisions but उसके results अच्छे नहीं आते, right? Because your frequency is lowered down because of the emotions which you have stored in your body. तो आपका mind कुछ बोलेगा, आपकी body कुछ बोलेगी. They are not in alignment. So the body scan works because your body is holding memories that your mind has forgotten. Basically the conscious mind, the subconscious mind and the body is still related, right? So we'll go from your head to toe and we'll release all those pains, hurt and aches through Ho'oponopono into that space. And it's actually also not about forgiving that other person who would be responsible for creating all those emotions in me, but it is about energy between me and my desire. ठीक है, क्योंकि मुझे वो क्लेंजिंग करनी है ना। आपकी अगर वो सारे इमोशंस अगर आपने स्टोर करके रखा है और जो आप डिजायर कर रहे हो, दोनों का फ्रीक्वेंसी मैच ही नहीं करेगा। देयर इज नो कनेक्शन, लॉ ऑफ कनेक्शन इज नॉट गोइंग टू वर्क देयर, because your frequency and your desires frequency is completely different. And then we say कि नहीं, मैंने तो किसी के साथ बुरा नहीं किया है, तो फिर मुझे क्यों ऐसे। आपने जो अपने अंदर स्टोर करके रखा है ना, दैट इज बुरा फॉर योर ओन सेल्फ। वी आर गोइंग टू क्लियर दैट, एंड दैट इज
हाँ,
वाई।
मुझे
और
सुनना है, मैं बोल सकती हूँ क्या?
हम
मुझे कुछ बोलना है, बोल सकती हूँ?
हम लास्ट में आप टाइप करके रखो आयुष्य, क्योंकि फिर वो फ्लो टूट जाएगा, है ना। टाइप
चलो।
करके, और याद रखना, लिख के रख लो, आई वॉन्ट टू लिसन टू यू, राइट। देन कम्स योर एनर्जी अलाइनमेंट ऑफ ई। तो एनर्जी अलाइनमेंट, तो जब आपकी एक बार एनर्जी क्लियर हो गई है, नाउ वी विल, इसको हम ऊपर बढ़ाएंगे। क्लियर किया जो रिक्वायर्ड नहीं था, देन विल पुट द ग्रैटिट्यूड इन स्पेस। ग्रैटिट्यूड को जब आप डालते हैं, तो वो हमारा सर्वाइवल से वी गेट इन टू द एक्सपेंशन फॉर्म, because now we are expanding our heart to see what all things are around us, and that is where your vibration becomes very magnetic, because you're already respecting what you already have around you, right. Then is your D. D is for designing your day. So finally we choose our top 3 goals, and then we set our intentions, and we start focusing on the actions we are going to take. So this all we do. So goals आप लोग लिखते हो, इंटेंशंस भी आप लिखते हो और हमारे साथ शेयर करते हो, और जो एक्शंस है वो भी आप हमारे साथ थोड़ा थोड़ा डिस्कस करते हो मॉर्निंग में, राइट। So this was all about the morning ritual का flow. Before I go ahead, okay, so always understand that you don't have to be perfect. मॉर्निंग में जब आते हैं तो अच्छे से तैयार होकर आने की जरूरत नहीं है, ठीक है। The only thing which I require from you is to be present in the session. जब सुबह आते हो, है ना। Your presence is more important. So we do it every day sharp at 4:30 we start. तो 4:30 को स्टार्ट होने के लिए, बिकॉज वी वॉन्ट टू लीव यू ऑल्सो ऑन टाइम, दैट 5:10 तक आप लोग छूट जाते हो, वी नेवर गो बियॉन्ड दैट टाइम। So for that you need to log in 5 minutes before, so that we can start exactly at 4:30, so that 4:30 पे हम बिल्कुल काम एंड स्टिल होने चाहिए। ऐसा ना हो कि आप भाग भाग कर आ रहे हो और फिर हम स्टार्ट कर दें, ओम, नहीं होगा, क्योंकि आपका जो माइंड है वो स्टिल नहीं होगा, राइट। वी वांट यू टू बी 5 minutes before 5:30, 4:30, sorry. Okay, so what else I wanted to share, right. Ayushi, now you can share your, then I'll take you through the practice. I'll make you practice what all I have shared today, so that in the morning when you are coming, you're not blank कि क्या करा रही है, ठीक है। And Mahesh and Deepti are also there, who have been regular members. सबसे पहले आ जाते हैं ये दोनों, है ना। और बाकी लोग आज संडे की वजह से, क्योंकि ओरिएंटेशन कॉल उनके लिए नहीं था, तो they have not joined. So because you're a new member, but then thanks to Deepti and Mahesh that they have been here for you, कि नए मेंबर को मोटिवेट कर लेंगे, ठीक है। चलो आयुषी, now you can share dear what you wanted to ask.
एक्चुअली मुझे आज एग्जैक्ट 12 बजे ज्वाइन होना था, बट ड्यू टू सम रीजन 10 मिनट मेरा लेट हो गया। यू नो दैट माई रीजन। अब मेरा तो ऐसा है कि भागा दौड़ी हो रहा है, और अभी 2-3 दिन ऐसे हो रहा है कि बहुत ज्यादा फ्रस्ट्रेटेड हो जा रही हूँ। तो कल मैंने मेरे बड़े बेटे को मार भी दिया रात को, और अभी छोटे वाले को भी थोड़ा सा ये कर दिया, पनिश कर दिया। तो और ना मुझे बहुत चिड़चिड़ हो रही है, और ना ऐसे लग रहा है कि प्यार से बोलूं तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि क्या प्यार से बोलूं, फेक लग रहा है मुझे, पता नहीं क्यों।
Right.
तो बिल्कुल ऐसे क्या बोलते हैं, थोड़ा स्पेस चाहिए, स्पेस नहीं मिल रहा है, और बहुत ज्यादा दिमाग के ऊपर बर्डन लग रहा है हर चीज का। और ऐसा लग रहा है कि पति से भी अगर मैं बिहेव कर रही हूँ तो फेक कर रही हूँ, ऐसा लग रहा है मुझे। वो इमोशंस ही नहीं आ रहे, मुझे बहुत इरिटेट हो रहा है।
Right. So where is all that stored in your body?
मुझे नहीं ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि
So
क्या
that is why
कैसे क्या
you said ना सर में दर्द हो रहा है.
दर्द यानी कि बीच बीच में होते रहता है दर्द, वैसे एकदम नहीं होता, लेकिन ज्यादा ओवर हो गया तो फिर ये हो जाता है।
Too many responsibilities, too many commitments. So that is all going to, and not able to express yourself and then feeling guilty.
एक्सप्रेस है ना कि ऐसा लग रहा है कि इतना मैं सब कुछ कर रही हूँ बट कोई थोड़ा सा भी मुझे पूछ नहीं रहा कि कैसे चल रहा है सब कुछ।
So now, instead of that, Ayushi, we are going to change our frequency from being in victimhood to a championhood, right?
I am expecting that my husband should ask me that how your business is going, because I am just started up, अभी 1 month भी होने का है, but that support I am not able to get from my husband, so that's why I feel so frustrated। और क्या मेरा जो है वो मेरी joint family है, we are 9 members in our family, so we have अभी तो तुम्हें पता है कि सब कुछ बहुत बातचीत भी संभाल के करना होता है, किसी को कुछ बुरा ना लग जाए। सो अभी वो कैसे हो रहा है ना, मुझे ना थोड़ा सा स्पेस चाहिए कुछ सोचने के लिए। अभी मैं सेशन में भी हूँ तो मेरा बड़ा लड़का कुछ बोल रहा है कि, तो वो ना मैं फोकस ही नहीं कर पा रही हूँ अभी, ऐसा हो रहा है। और मेरा जो मेन गोल है वहां तक के, मैं आई थिंक सो मेरा विजन ही नहीं जा रहा है ये सब की वजह से।
No worries. So Ayushi, tell me that why do you want your husband to ask you how is the work going?
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपेक्ट करती हूँ उनसे। एक्सपेक्टेशन इज़ नॉट गुड एट ऑल।
नहीं
और
एक्सपेक्टेशन,
शादी के बाद भी
एक्सपेक्टेशन रखो. नहीं नहीं
नहीं,
एक्सपेक्टेशन. बट
नहीं,
मुझे
क्योंकि मेरे
reason दो.
एक्सपेक्टेशन बहुत टूटते हैं। जब भी मैं किसी से एक्सपेक्ट करती हूँ, कभी वो होता ही नहीं है। मुझे ऐसा लगता है मैं ही ज़्यादा ओवर एक्सपेक्ट करती हूँ। बट जब मेरी नीड किसी को लगती है तो मैं 200% दे देती हूँ। बट मुझे जब उनकी नीड लगती है तो वो मुझे डायरेक्टली ना बोल देते हैं, तो वो बहुत
हाँ,
ज़्यादा
so
हर्ट
now
होता है मुझे।
Ayushi, we are not going to be again need. We are going to change our frequency from need to we can give. We don't need. आपको ऐसे हाथ फैलाने में अच्छा लगेगा, किसी को देने में अच्छा लगेगा.
नीड नहीं, जैसे सपोज अगर
That
उनको
is general thing. Because you are a beautiful soul who is being sent to the world to give to others, not to ask from others. When will you feel more powerful? Tell me. When you're giving or when you're asking?
जैसे मैम अभी अगर कुछ
Just,
लाइफ में
just
हम,
give me my answers. When will you feel more powerful? While
जब मैं
giving to
बट
exactly.
अभी मेरी सिचुएशन ऐसी है कि थोड़ा सा मैं कहीं फाइनेंशियली वीक हो गई हूँ, तो दैट आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग कि वो उतना मुझे सपोर्ट मिले, बट नहीं हो रहा है,
Now,
तो वो थोड़ा
when
सा
we say about
उतना ही
financial,
हर्ट हो रहा है जब।
Ayushi, when we say about financial, it is family finance. It's not your finance or your husband's finance. It's family finance. हम लोग पता है उसको ये बोल देते कि ये तो मेरी फाइनेंशियल स्टेटस इतनी अच्छी नहीं है. इट्स योर फैमिली. हाउ इज योर फैमिली डूइंग बाय द वे?
नहीं, यू कांट को रिलेट, यानी कि मैं आपको क्या बताने वाली हूँ। जैसे
ओके.
मेरे हस्बैंड का बिजनेस में कुछ इशू था, तो उनको फाइनेंशियली मैंने पूरा सपोर्ट किया। बट
हम्म.
अभी मेरा खुद का बिजनेस, मैंने कंपनी इनकॉर्पोरेट की है, तो मुझे थोड़ा सा फाइनेंशियल उनसे चाहिए था मेरे बिजनेस में इन्वेस्टमेंट करने के लिए। बट ही टोटली सेड नो, आई एम नॉट एबल टू गिव यू।
Now
दैट
tell me,
हर्ट मी सो मच।
what I want to ask you is the business which your husband is handling, is it for himself alone or for the family? Just give
फॉर
me.
द फैमिली, बट अभी सिचुएशन ऐसी है कि
एक मिनट आयुषी, जितना पूछ रहे हो सिर्फ उतना बताओ और सोचो. Is it for himself alone or for the whole family, right?
फॉर द
So if,
फैमिली,
हाँ,
बट
बस
बट उसमें बट
एक
एक आ
मिनट
गया।
मेरा सेकंड
हाँ,
क्वेश्चन आने दो. सेकंड क्वेश्चन आने. The
हाँ,
business which you are putting up is for your own self or for the family?
फॉर द फैमिली।
Exactly. ठीक है. तो अभी ये नहीं बोल रहे कि उसने मुझे पैसा दिया कि नहीं दिया, मैंने दिया. इट इज योर, both of yours money. It's not your or his money. ठीक है. The
बट
only thing is that whenever he feels, because तभी मैंने कहा कि आप अपने decisions नहीं ले पा रहे हो, and that is making you feel more frustrated because you don't have that independence of choosing it for yourself, and you're finding yourself dependent on him. कि अगर वो कर सकता तो उसने क्यों नहीं किया, and that is making you more lower down your frequency, and that is making you not achieve your goals. Why do you feel you're dependent on anybody in the world?
अभी मैं
Will
आपको
change.
बताऊँ ना,
Right. See,
मैं
that is
लेट
what I have handled, Ayushi, n number of people, right? जब हम लोग इसमें आएंगे ना, ये वाले जो रिचुअल्स हम लोग फॉलो करेंगे, we'll get the clarity. Don't worry. All your vulnerability, all what you have stored inside will get cleared slowly and gradually. Don't worry about it. The only thing
उसके वजह से कैसे मेरा बिहेवियर फ्रिक्वेंटली चेंज हो जाता है। कभी मुझे कभी मेरी फीलिंग बहुत प्यारी रहती है, कभी मैं एकदम फ्रस्ट्रेटेड रहती हूँ, कभी मैं बात भी नहीं करती हूँ। मुझे खुद को ही महसूस हो रहा है वैसे।
चलिए, तो अभी हम एक प्रैक्टिस करते हैं जो हम लोग मॉर्निंग में करते हैं, थोड़ा सा ग्लिम्स है उसका, छोटा छोटा पार्ट है, ठीक है? इट्स नॉट द कंप्लीट थिंग, बट आई जस्ट मेक यू गो थ्रू छोटा छोटा उसका ट्रेलर. ओके, just I want to put you all on mute. Are you all on mute? आयुषी, मैं आपको म्यूट पे डाल रही हूँ, and I want you all to be with your feet flat on the ground, and so जैसे ही यहाँ पे दो साउंड्स आएंगे, one is so and the other is hum. ठीक है? so आएगा 4 सेकंड के लिए, so का साउंड, then there will be a music for 4 seconds, then will be hum to release, and then again it will be a music hold. तो जब जब म्यूजिक आ रहा है आपने होल्ड करना है अपने ब्रेथ को, सो आ रहा है तो यू हैव टू इनहेल, हम आ रहा है तो आपने रिलीज करना है. ठीक है? सो होल्ड, हम, होल्ड, सो होल्ड, हम, होल्ड. ओके, सो दिस विल बी द पैटर्न. शंखनाद होगा, उसके बाद हम लोग सो से शुरू करेंगे. तब तक आप लोग आंख बंद करके सेटल हो जाओ. राइट? क्लोज योर आईज. Your feet flat on the ground. Is it audible? Done. Thank you.
So 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 so
Relax, stay there, and I'm going to recite a few affirmations for you. Stay in the same position. Inhale slowly. Focus on your breath. And repeat after me slowly with feeling the affirmations. So first we go with the maintenance affirmation that I am already doing my best. And I honor myself for showing up. I am already doing my best. And I honor myself for showing up. The goal affirmation. I am the highest version of myself. I am the highest version of myself, calm, focused, and aligned. Calm, focused, and aligned. The action affirmation. Today, I take one small step that moves me closer to my dream. I take one small step that takes me closer to my dream. Beautiful. Now, think of the goal which you want to achieve. Keep your eyes closed. You're getting into the visualization. Imagine you are watching yourself from 10 feet away. This is your future self, who is calmer, the best version of herself, confident, very peaceful, and successful. Observe that version of you who has already achieved what you desire. Now, step into that version. Get into that version of yourself. Feel what they feel. Feel what that Ayushi is feeling. Feel what that Deepthi is feeling. Feel and stand like them. The better version. You have achieved your goal. Breathe like them. Know what they know. What are they wearing? What's the fabric? Look at your hands and see, are they softer? Are they having some beautiful fragrance from your hand? Is there any beautiful fragrance from your hand? Just feel it. Is the weather cold, warm? How are you responding to people? Remember, you are there. You are responding. You're not watching yourself responding. Live that moment. Feel that moment. Anchor that moment, that feeling. Hold on to it. Wonderful. And now I'll take you through the body scan Ho'oponopono. Bring your attention to your forehead. If there is any tension, say silently, "Sorry, please forgive me. Thank you. I love you." And feel that all the tension is getting released from your forehead. "I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you." Move your awareness to your jaws, your face, facial muscles, and say, "I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you." Bring awareness to your throat. "I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you." To your heart. "I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you." Your stomach. "I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you." To your hip. "I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you." Your legs. "I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you." And feel your feet on the ground. Tell them, "I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you." In your body, scan the whole body, and wherever you find that heaviness, speak to that space with lots of love. That I love you. I'm sorry if I had rejected you. Consciously, unconsciously, did not respect your existence. Did not acknowledge your existence. I am grateful for your existence. The way you function. The way you serve. I am grateful. Thank you. I am sorry if I did not recognize your presence. Forgive me for being so immature or not having that understanding. I love you. I love you. I love you. You can take a deep breath in and exhale fully. Once you feel comfortable, you can come back and tell me that how did you feel going through all your body parts, scanning through them and clearing all the stored energy, frequency which was not required, not serving you anyways. आयुषी neck में पेन हो रहा है? How are you feeling? So giving yourself time will also at times give you guilt. कि मैंने इतना टाइम यहाँ पे अपने आप के लिए रखा है, that will also give you guilt, right? Because you are spending some time or giving yourself some extra time, me time kind of thing where you are feeling that I'm doing this for myself. उसके लिए भी guilt आएगा because you have kept everything aside and given yourself this time. आपके बच्चे, आपकी family, आपकी other responsibilities have been kept aside, right? Now again, when you are having the feeling of guilt, it's getting stored in your body. Your frequency will go down. If you have chosen to do something, do it completely without guilt. चूज कर लिया ना, आप गिल्ट रख के क्या फायदा है? करो मजे से, राइट? गिल्ट रखा तो फिर वो जो पूरा किया है उसका वाइब्रेशन वापस से नीचे चला जाएगा, ठीक है? इसके बाद हम करते हैं EFT. तो EFT, as I have told, that there are 9 meridian points. So I can take you through because we have 3 minutes. This is just a 3 minutes, activity, and we'll make it faster. And we started also 5 minutes late, right? 8 minutes है हमारे पास. So 9 minutes, I'll take you through. आयुषी, जैसे जैसे हम करेंगे या जैसे जैसे मैं instructions दूंगी, the same way you have to do, right? This is the general EFT which I've created or scripted like for you for this session. Karate chop. We'll now start to do a short tapping sequence to release all the resistance. ठीक है? So this is your karate chop. ये वाला जो हाथ के साइड में है, इसको टैप करना है. टैप करो. Even though I struggle to wake up early, I choose to be gentle with myself. Even though I struggle to wake up early, I choose to be gentle with myself because I am ready for a new version of me, right? I am ready for a new version of me and I love myself the way I am. I love myself the way I am. Feel it. On the eyebrows, I release the old patterns. I release the old patterns. Side of the eyes, I release the fear of change. I release the fear of change because I fall in love with change and all the changes are in my favor, right? I release the fear of change. I release the fear of change. Under the eyes, I release the guilt of starting late. I release the guilt of starting late. I release the guilt of starting late. Under the nose, I release the belief that I cannot do this. I release the belief that I cannot do this. I release the belief that I cannot do this. On the chin, I choose alignment over discipline. I choose alignment over discipline. I choose alignment over discipline. Collarbone, I choose clarity over confusion. I choose collarbone. I choose clarity over confusion. I choose clarity over confusion. Under your arms, I choose love over pressure. I choose love over pressure. I choose love over pressure. On the top of your head, I am ready for sacred mornings. I am ready for sacred mornings. I am ready for sacred mornings. I am ready for sacred morning. So these will be 9 meridian points where we'll be tapping. Tapping क्यों कर रहे हैं? Again, we are releasing all the emotions. जैसे हमने guilt, fear, doubt, ये सब को release किया, right? And then we, पहले हमने अपने आप को accept किया. फिर हमारे पास जो doubts थे, fears थे, हमने उनको release किया. पहले तो उनको acknowledge भी करना है. ये सब है हमारे पास. Old patterns है, fear है, doubt है, guilt है, belief system है. बट फिर मैंने क्या चूज करना है? अलाइनमेंट ओवर डिसिप्लिन. मैं डिसिप्लिन दिखाने नहीं आ रही हूँ लोगों को, राइट? क्या मैं सुबह 4:30 बजे ये दिखाने आ रही हूँ कि मेरी हैबिट है सुबह 4:30 बजे उठने? नहीं. क्या मुझे डिसिप्लिन दिखाने कि नहीं, मैं 4:30 बजे तो मैं आ जाती हूँ? नो. आई एम चूजिंग माई अलाइनमेंट ओवर द डिसिप्लिन, क्योंकि मुझे अलाइन करना है उस यूनिवर्स के साथ। उस टाइम पे कुछ नहीं होता है, सिर्फ मैं होती हूँ, और मैं वैसी होती हूँ जैसी मैं हूँ। द मोमेंट अदर पीपल स्टार्ट गेटिंग विद यू, यू स्टार्ट चेंजिंग। 4:30 बजे आप ही रहोगे, आप कहीं पे फेक नहीं करोगे, ठीक है? यू विल नॉट प्रिटेंड, यू विल बी योर सेल्फ। सो इसीलिए मुझे वो अलाइनमेंट चाहिए। देन वी स्टार्ट राइटिंग ग्रैटिट्यूड्स, ठीक है? तो ग्रैटिट्यूड क्या है, लिखना क्यों है, उसका अलग अलग रीजन है। आई विल एक्सप्लेन इट इन द नेक्स्ट orientation, that why do I emphasize on writing rather than just speaking loudly about the gratitude. I always emphasize it on writing. कि gratitude मतलब I am grateful for what? I am grateful for my family is healthy with me. I am grateful that I am able to spend some time on, or I am getting the time and space to attend all these sessions. कितने लोगों को नहीं मिलता है, right? I am grateful that I have got equipped with all the digital, equipments which are required for me to connect with the whole world. है कि नहीं है? कितने लोगों के पास नहीं है सारे equipments? I am grateful for the finances I already have in my hand. I am grateful to have 2 little kids in my family. Right? So there are so many things. So you can write it down. And then we go for the D part, which is designing your day. उसमें आयुषी we write our goals. ठीक है? और हम उसको फिर सील करते हैं इंटेंशन से, कि आप इंटेंशन क्या रखोगे पूरे दिन। क्या आप गुस्सा नहीं करने वाले हो? अगर गुस्सा नहीं करने वाले हो, पूरे दिन का इंटेंशन है, तो क्या करने वाले हो? आई एम गोइंग टू बी मोर ऑब्जर्वेंट, ठीक है? कि मुझे गुस्सा कहाँ कहाँ आता है, और वहां पे मैं अपने आप को ऑब्जर्व करूंगी कि अगर मैं गुस्सा करूंगी तो क्या होने वाला है। सपोज आई विल वॉच माई सेल्फ, हाउ वुड आई लुक शोइंग माई एंगर बिफोर यू शो द एंगर, ठीक है? तो विजुअलाइज करना है। सपोज मुझे गुस्सा आया, उससे पहले मैं थोड़ा सा होल्ड करूंगी और मैं देखूंगी कि प्रीति को गुस्सा आया तो वो किस तरह से अजीब सी लग रही है, ठीक है? अच्छी नहीं लग रही है वो। ओहो, दिस इज नॉट प्रीति, or this is not Ayushi, this is not real Ayushi or real Deepti who is showing anger, because आपका जो real form है वो तो शांत रहने का ना, you want peace, right? या गुस्सा चाहिए, अशांति चाहिए, वो नहीं चाहिए। तो real Ayushi, real Deepti, प्रीति, महेश को शांति चाहिए, तो वही वहां पे देखेंगे, and then you will see that everything falls in place. बहुत मजा आएगा अपने आप को जब देखना शुरू करेंगे। ओके, ना 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 ना, फिर रोक देना उसको, पॉज। शुरू में मुश्किल नहीं लगेगा, फिर बहुत मुश्किल लगेगा। एक बार मुश्किल नहीं लगेगा, 2 बार मुश्किल लगेगा, पर तीसरी बार लगेगा नहीं, मुझे नहीं हो रहा है मुझसे, ठीक है? क्योंकि अभी आप क्या हो, आप उस एनर्जी में हो कि हाँ मैं ट्राई करना चाहती हूँ। तो जब आप ट्राई करना चाहते हो, जैसे आपने मॉर्निंग रिचुअल्स के लिए ट्राई करने के लिए आपने एनरोल किया, ठीक है? तो ये लगे कि हाँ हाँ मुझे करना ही है। 3 दिन बाद आपका माइंड आपके साथ में खेलना शुरू कर देगा, यार कोई नहीं है, कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, कुछ नहीं आ रहा, ठीक है? रिमेम्बर, जब हम किसी के साथ अब प्यार में पड़ते हैं फर्स्ट टाइम, तो बड़ा इन्फैचुएशन होता है, बड़ा ही लव होता है, सब समझने को तैयार होते हैं। आफ्टर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम इट स्टार्ट्स गेटिंग मोनोटोनस, यार कुछ नहीं है, इसको समझ नहीं आता, ये तो बकवास है, मैं कहाँ पड़ गई, राइट? बट अगर आप उस रिलेशनशिप को अगर आप लंबा लेकर जाते हो तो अंडरस्टैंडिंग बढ़ती है। एंड देन a couple who were girlfriend boyfriend, they get married. फिर फेसेस आते हैं, शादी से पहले का कुछ और फेस होता है, शादी के बाद का कुछ और फेस होता है। Same phases will come in your growing journey. But did you see that where you were as a girlfriend and where you are as a wife, there is so much difference in the growth. बहुत ग्रोथ हुआ ना। पहले तो थोड़ा सा इमेच्योरिटी थी, है ना? चीजों पे कैसे भी रिएक्ट कर देते थे, बट अब कितना सोच समझ कर रिएक्ट करते हो। आपने बोला फैमिली के लिए सोचना पड़ता है, आई कैन नॉट जस्ट रिएक्ट एनीवेज। तो अगर वो पहले वाली आयुषी में और अभी में बहुत फर्क है. द सेम विल हैपन विद योर सीक्रेट रिचुअल्स ऑल्सो. तो मॉर्निंग शुरू में बड़ा अच्छा नहीं, मुझे करना है, मुझे करना है, मुझे करना है, बट फिर कंसिस्टेंसी मेंटेन करने के लिए आपका दिमाग बोलेगा नहीं करना है, नहीं करना है, नहीं करना है, सो जा. कल मुझे ये हुआ था, कल मेरा हम लोग लेट सोए थे, या कल हमारे घर पे कोई गेस्ट आ गया था, सुबह मेरे सर में दर्द हो रहा था, मेरा अलार्म नहीं बजा. एन नंबर ऑफ रीजंस यू विल गेट नॉट टू अटेंड द मॉर्निंग रिचुअल्स. बी अवेयर, क्योंकि वो आएगा ही आएगा. ठीक है. तो थैंक यू फॉर गिविंग ऑल योर टाइम. आई थिंक वी आर इन टाइम. हमने टाइम पे खत्म किया सेशन. आई एम सो हैप्पी. यस महेश, oh you have started lunch also, very nice, good. I'm happy that you started with your lunch, and let me just, yeah,